No.
Skype. Čo to je? Skype.
Skype. I want to say that what I say.
What is the difference between
Difference.
different
Different
shit
is
English? So what is the difference
yeah, yes.
between well and good?
That.
When we say well and good.
So well is saying when a teacher tells you very well
I said it
done.
1 minute before.
But
Ago. No, not before. Ago.
yeah, yes.
What do you want to say?
Good. Good is used when you want to say to somebody, you look very good, and I
Yes.
would like to fuck you,
For example,
motherfucker.
from what was it? Wait. Zoolander, you
Yeah, yes.
are really ridiculously good looking.
Good looking.
Not
yes.
not well looking. Good looking.
Yes.
You are
Exactly.
true or truth.
You are right. We say
Yes.
not you are true, but you are right.
Your English is very well.
Not
Pitchy.
what did you say?
Forget it. I
Your
said it very
English is very good.
Yes, very well. Pitchy. Oh, I am very stupid.
Yes, I know.
Yes, I know. I know. No.
I know.
No. No. So say no.
K-N-O-U
Spell it.
W.
Oh, you can spell.
Yes,
So spell.
I can.
So spell. International.
I N T T T T T
T.
E
E. Not E. E.
E
E.
E.
E. Not
E.
international. International.
But I like brush and
Rush.
point.
Rush. Cete, rush.
Tak kurwa minderit pičajamo.
To takto ozveš na angličtine. Už ja by to byla Marto, poďte čo? That I have to say. Kako ťa tam vysmejú.
So, brush and point is I.
You.
No, not you. Stupid. English, man, not English. Slovak, man.
I am Russia.
You
I am
can't.
from Moscow.
Russia. Stupid Russians.
No.
Yes, I'm right.
We are not stupid.
Yes, you are. More than the Americans.
Americans. They are very stupid.
Yes, I know. They are. But
Excusez-moi, I have to go to the toilet. I must piss.
so you
My
should
big cock is
cock. Boy,
cock is very long.
you mean you have shit on your seat?
Videl si to na bume, to video.
No, English, please.
Did you see? Yes. Did you see the video on Boom
YouTube?
website? Boom website.
Spell it, please.
Boom.
No, what? What is it?
When you make sex. You don't say
M.
M.
Dot.
Not com.
Not com.
SK. Cause it's Slovakian. Slovak website.
Yeah.
So, and then,
Very Slovakia.
do you know Czechoslovakia?
What? What?
Do you know Slovenia?
Ah, yes.
So Slovenia is Slovakia.
With city Bratislava.
I think Bratislava is in Hungary. No,
Hungary.
I don't know.
Aha.
It doesn't matter. Veľký Meder. Do you know this city? Veľký Meder.
Yes, I know.
No,
it is in northern Canada.
North. Wait a minute. North.
It is
North. Yeah, North. So, but I
want to say.
wanted.
Okay.
To
Okay.
So, go to. Yes, you can go to utap.com also.
Yes.
To.
Two.
Yeah, you are very good teacher. So on utap, you write. I don't know what. Something like Malta, Italian man on Malta. You write it, and you can see videos.
Mhm.
And there is one Italian man like me.
Us. Like us.
Shit! Kurva English. Yes, like us
Was?
and kurva is, I don't know, it's a Russian word.
Aha.
It
Yeah.
means
Okay.
war. War. Do
War.
you know war? Your mother is war, for example.
Motherfucker.
No,
I will
and-
kill ya.
Did you see the video?
No, I didn't.
Arabi. Kokot. Dobre, potom pokračujeme.
What?
Sestre.
What?
We continue when I make peace.
Okay, so you go to Chestra and I go for money.
No, we go to money and we go to Chestra.
Okay, if you will not be cold.
Cold? I'm not cold,
Or-
I'm hot. But not like gay hot.
But in outside is very cold.
Yes, cold
And
weather.
you don't have
Shall.
what?
This long thing what you have
Uh,
around your
around
neck.
yes.
This red thing. So,
Liverpool.
oh, Liverpool. Yeah,
You.
Spanish team.
Yes, Spanish.
So
they
we can
they
go.
played last year with Barcelona. I think.
Ooh, Fernando
I
Torres.
think. Fernando Torres.